Okay, this service is done already, so we're gonna see the damage. I mean, for the damage for them right there. Don't worry about them. They're outsiders. They're looking for the hive. So right here you see the pot. What's inside the pot? Right here, that's the larva. Right there, that's the nest. The white one, the brown one is open already. The white one still have a larva, but they're dead already because we put chemical on it. Just wait for a couple of days. They're all gonna be dead. You see, as you can see, they're all dying right now. All those things. All right, don't be alarmed. Just stay away from this area. See, these the yellow, nasty yellow jacket. They're all dying. All right. See, goodbye. Don't come here, okay? I'll give you a lesson. One by one. All right. There's 5 layers, by the way, or 6 layers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one smashed is 6. All right. You can still use the pot. It's plastic. The plant can be saved. You just have to wait. All right. Again, stay away from this one because they think they're still out there, because the others are the outsiders, which is the one will go home in the afternoon to feed the hive. There's nothing to feed anymore. Alrighty. So this is, I'm gonna give you a copy, address, location of the area I didn't mention. So I will send them a copy by YouTube. Ka-ching! Finito. Bye-bye. We're gonna turn up this one. I think I really got hit in the chin. Alright. There we go. It's off. We're gonna turn it off.